Hello, everyone! Mastery Quiz 3 review. This is Miss Osier.
And Miss Lahart.
And here we go. Logarithms are exponents. Exponents are logarithms. That is what you need to know.
All right, your exponent rules. There's a beautiful chart on your review table that you can look at and But remember, fractional exponent, it's power over root.
Power over root.
There's always one question on your Regents exam about this, so you need to know it. Power over root, power over root. So how do you rewrite that? You write it like
Power
that.
over
Now,
root.
careful. N cubed, square roots. Can I simplify that any further?
Oh, you sure can, because n squared times n
Boom.
comes out as an n root n.
So just remember that,
Boom.
just in case it happens.
Just in case, remember.
And then number 2 is very simple. Just make sure you put a parenthesis around your 4r. Power is 5, root is 3. That's all you got to do.
Boom.
Oh boy, there's your exponent rules.
Okay.
We brought it up a notch.
You should know all of these.
Yep.
Like you just should. Okay.
If you don't, you should.
So when we have something big like this, we're gonna just start breaking it up into little pieces. So I'm gonna deal with that guy first.
So that's a power to a power. So you multiply your exponents. So that would be that. Now I'm looking at that bottom. It's got a lot of stuff.
Got a lot of stuff, but that -1 I can flip to the top.
Well, I would just add them all
want
up.
to.
I would just simplify.
Right, I can.
That's multiplication, so just add all those exponents up. So there
So
you go.
add your blues, add your greens, because the one's for the y's, one's for the x's.
Okay, so then that looks a little cleaner. Now the
Nice.
only thing I have to do is do the x and x. So when
Yep.
you're dividing, you subtract your exponent. So what's 1/2 minus a -2? Positive 5/2.
Which means that it goes on the top.
Top like that. Boom, boom, you're done.
Done.
Take it step by step.
Piece by piece.
Okay, now
Okay, how do I get rid of that exponent?
fractional exponent. How do you get rid of it?
Now, if it were a variable, I might be thinking logs. But
Right.
with a fractional exponent, I can just raise it to the reciprocal.
Isolate the term with the exponent and then raise both sides to the reciprocal. That's basically what you do. Since 4 is already isolated, I'm just going to take it and raise it to the 2/3.
Right. As in question 4, 81
Oh, yeah.
n is together in the parentheses.
Yep, all by itself. So 3/2 times 2/3 is 1. That's why we do it, because you get the reciprocal. 729, you plug that in your calculator, you get 81.
So you get 1 equals n. Perfect.
Okay, 5's a little different. You have to isolate the thing that has the exponent.
So be careful here, because n is the only thing. The 4, whereas the 81 was in parentheses here, the 4 is not. So you have to add 3 and then divide by 4 before you can do anything with that exponent.
So be careful with that. Isolate, then raise both sides. The reciprocal of -3/5 is -5/3.
Boom.
And then you just get that. Boom,
Look
boom.
at us go.
All right.
Okay. Logarithms.
You have to know how to go back and forth between
You
log
have to.
exponential.
Have to. B is for base, x is the exponent, y is the answer. In this case, over here, it's that part.
Now it flows a little seashell. If you do the seashell thing, 12 to the 0 equals 1.
Yep.
Backward seashell. This one, 144 to the 12
sorry.
is 1/2.
So log base 144, 12 is 1/2. 12 to the 0 is 1.
And you
Base
have to be,
exponent.
Yep, you
Remember,
gotta be.
the point of a logarithm is to find the exponent. Boom.
Log is an exponent.
Okay.
Ugh, animations.
That's okay. So we're going to divide by 3 first of all, because we need to isolate.
add
the-
8.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see the 8 there. There we go. Okay, we're going to add 8 first.
There we
what I
go.
meant to say. Then we're going to divide by 3 to isolate the part with the exponent. Now, because there's a variable up there, I can't just go multiplying by the reciprocal and all that good stuff.
That'd be 1 over
it's just
2b.
gonna- Yeah, it's not going to help. So I can rewrite it as log. So I can rewrite this as log base 8. Oh, no, we're taking log both sides. Sorry, we're logging both sides. So log both sides. Or you can rewrite it and do it the change of base formula, whatever you want to do.
Yep. So I like to take the log of both sides. The variable
boom.
pops out front, and it becomes multiplication. So then you divide both sides by the log of 8, and then you just divide that ugliness by 2, and that pops out your answer.
This is all calculator work.
You just got to know how to work it. Wait for my animations to come up. All right, now we have a base of e. So again, you isolate the term that has the exponent. So you add 4, you divide by 5.3.
Now, how do we undo an e? With an ln. So we ln both sides. That undoes the e, so we're left with 8r. ln 13 over 5.3 is a button in your calculator. Divide that by 8.
You get your answer.
Boom. Hey, Master Quiz 4. Next. See you later.